Today, we will show you how to replace the memory card on your Varia RCT715 radar camera. A memory card is included with your device, so it is ready to use out of the box. All memory cards have a limited life and must be replaced from time to time. You can replace the memory card to increase the storage capacity or to replace a card that has reached the end of its useful life. The device requires an 8 to 128 GB SD memory card with a speed rating of Class 10 or higher. To begin, open the battery cover on the back of the RCT715. Carefully slide the card holder toward the mount and lift up. Next, remove the memory card. Take the new memory card and insert it into the memory card slot with the contacts facing the RCT715. Close and latch the card holder. Now close and latch the memory card cover door. You can connect the RCT715 to your computer to install software updates or transfer videos and photos to your computer. To do this, open the weather cap and plug the USB-C cable into the back of the RCT715. Plug the large end of the cable into a USB port on your computer. Depending on your computer operating system, the RCT715 appears as either a removable drive or a removable volume on your computer. For this video, the RCT715 will appear as a removable drive. Videos and photos are stored on the DCIM directory on the memory card. Videos are stored in MP4 file format and photos are stored in JPEG format. The 100 event file contains videos saved automatically when the device detects an incident. The 101 photo contains photos, and the 102 saved file contains videos saved manually by the user. The 103 UNSVD contains unsaved video footage. The device overwrites the oldest unsaved video when the storage space for unsaved videos is full. Now you have a better understanding of the functions of the microSD card on your RCT715 radar camera, how to access the card, and what files are located on the card when plugged into a computer. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.